Hey everyone! Today we're going to make avocado cream pasta with spinach linguine. To start off, our water is boiling. First, we're going to stir some garlic and olive oil. Now we're going to add avocado. Now we're going to add some salt. Next, we're going to add some cream. At this point, we're going to stir it until it gets creamy. The noodles are now ready, so next we're going to drain them. Now we're going to add the pasta into the cream. Looks like our dish is just about ready. Looks like the pasta is ready to serve. And we're going to add the black pepper for flavor. The pasta's ready and it looks fantastic. Can't wait to try this. Even though you've seen us drink on the show, please drink responsibly and try not to drink and drive. As always, like us and subscribe to us, as it really does help. See you next time on Drinking and Cooking with Lisa and Nick.